Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, thanks for being here. Today we're going to continue our new series we're working on, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using Clickbank, with just one simple website. Hey, if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe, and if you like this video, please leave me a like on it. All right, so what we're doing is we're going daily. We're sending out daily emails using MLGS, which is a completely built for you, completely done. It's got autoresponder, everything is in there, or not autoresponder, but you just load your email and you send it, and that's it. Those leads are loaded in there every day, and it just keeps dumping leads in so that you can just keep sending your emails out every single day, and you're getting new people in every day. So we're trying to see how long it's going to take us to start making a good income using Clickbank as our free site and using MLGS as it's $1 a day for one account, and we're on 5 accounts, so it's going to cost us $5 a day to run this, and we want to see how long it takes to make a good income. So let's jump into Clickbank and see our results from the last couple days. All right, and affiliate. Okay, so today we haven't sent emails out yet today, but we have had 51 visits to our link. So those emails are still doing their job. And then let's see what we've had since we've started. We'll just run it. We've only been doing this is day 13. So not even quite 2 weeks, but let's see what we have for this time. Okay, so day 13, we've had 1,500 hops, so 1,500 clicks to our link. And then we've had 53 visits to our actual order form of people thinking about making a purchase there. So that's pretty good. And this is, as you can see, this is continually growing every single day. And it's going to continue to do that. So we're going to see how long it's going to take us to get to a good income with doing just this 5 or 10 minutes in the morning or in the afternoon, whenever you want to do it. I do mine in the morning so I can get it done, and I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want that way. But I want to see how long that it takes to start building an income, because this just takes us 5 or 10 minutes to do every day, and we just do the same thing every day. So let's jump into our first account over here, and I already have this email pulled up on my other screen. We're going to send out day 13 today. And these emails are in the Google Doc below this video. So mailing system, leave all this alone. Again, leave all this alone. And you're going to come down to subject, and we've got it here, right here on our email. So get paid to talk, no phone calls, 280 per day is what we're going to send out today. And we'll grab our email. And the reason we're doing this is to show that we can make income doing something simple, just something as simple as sending an email every day. And we just want to see, we know it's possible because we know people that are doing this right now and they're making income. So we already know it's possible. We just want to see how long it will take us to start seeing that using this method, because this is so quick and takes so little time that anybody can get in and do this, because it's just so fast. You don't need a bunch of time to do this. It's not like you're out there making a bunch of videos, or you don't have to, you're posting on social media for this or anything like that. You're just coming in here and sending out these pre-made emails. We're not even writing them, they're already written for us. And then we are using our, I'm pulling my link now. Then we're using our link that we got from Clickbank, which is a free service, free site. So you can go in and promote these companies that are associated with Clickbank. So really, this is kind of, it just makes a lot of sense to me that this would be a good way to go about things, especially if you're really strapped on time and maybe you don't even have a lot of knowledge. You want to get started on something to see if it is possible. This is a pretty cheap way to go. If you used one account and that account's going to keep building, that's $1 a day. Now, I use 5 accounts on anything that I promote. So I want results faster. That's why I do that. So it costs me $5 a day to run those accounts. But anyway, all right, let's send out our first one. So this is ready. We got our links in there. We're going to just copy so we're ready for the next time. And send. And now don't forget, when we get to the next part, we're not going to log out. We're just going to go up here and we're going to right click and duplicate. And then we're going to log out. So we've still got that up. And then we'll just go on to our next one right here. So mailing system, select all. We're going to go down to our email, put our email body in there. So that part's done. We're going to hit perfect timing. We'll go grab our subject again from our email that we have pulled up. It's just from the Google Doc. I'm looking at the same doc that is linked below. I'm going to copy here because I like to start with the email when I start these. So send. All right, so that's sent. We go to our next account. Right there's our email. Your subject. All right. And we're just going to Control C, copy that, hit perfect timing, and we're going to send that one. And now we're ready to do our next one as soon as that goes out. So there's our next one. We'll go log out, then log in, and we're at account 4. Mailing system, select all, come down to our email body. Get perfect timing while we're there. And pull our subject. Control C, Control V. Then we're going to catch our email right here. Control C. And we're going to send. And then we're going to go to our last account because we are ready there. And right there. Control V, perfect timing. We'll go and get our subject. Now we won't copy this because we're this is our last one, so we're ready to go. So that is it. All our emails are sent. Now, kind of like we showed in some of these, if we want to go in and, well, we'll just check on this one. Check our statistics to see how our emails have been doing. We can do that. So with this inside MLGS, we can just go and see. Just go here to statistics, and you can see every day. So if you have one, so this one got a lot of opens, and this one got a lot of opens. 40 clicks. That one got good clicks. So this one did good. So if we wanted to, we could just go and use this one again and see if it does well again. And this saves them. This saves them all. So everything you send is going to be saved in here. And you can go see how many clicks your emails are getting. And you can see open rates and just all your info is right here. So if you wanted to, let me log out and get to the first one. So really, if you wanted to, and you wanted to run this, and maybe, so when we run this, we're going to run straight through this first offer, then we're going to go to the next offer, then we're going to go to the next offer, and on down. But if you wanted to run this a couple cycles, run these emails a couple cycles to the same offer, the system makes it pretty easy to do that, because what you can do, you can go into mailing system right here and select all. Then you can come here, and all these emails are sitting here that you've sent. So let's say I went and checked statistics, and I see this one did well, and I want to use it again. That's only been a couple of days, so I wouldn't use it as soon. I'd use it towards the end again, or start over or something there. But you can hit it. Okay, so now there's that email, and I can hit load. Now that email is loaded in here. Your links, everything's ready. Hit perfect timing, and you can send this again tomorrow. After your time's up, right? You can't send it again now, but after your time's up. So that's pretty convenient too if you wanted to run those again. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, because you do get leads loaded every single day. So by the time you've already sent that first email out, now you go to your day 19 or day 20, you've got all those other leads in there that have never seen that email. So now if you send that out, now it hits them too. And it's going to cycle through. So you could very easily pick up some sales just by cycling this and this offer and these emails a couple of times once we really get this built up. But the experiment that we're working on is to just run through run through offers in line as they come up on Clickbank. So we just want to go start at the top, run offer number one, then that's next offer, then the next offer, then the next offer. And if we get to the end of all of those, or if we start running out of ones with offers with a high gravity score, we'll just start over, and then we can run this again. Now, if we do that, you can see how easy that would be, because these emails are already loaded. So we just go in there, track which email it is, and we could just send those again, and it would hit all your new leads as well as your old leads. So it works out pretty good. Like I say, I run several of these accounts. Any kind of business that I run 5 of these accounts because it's tons and tons of traffic, and they're good leads, and we make sales. So that is what we want to do, is make sales so we can make money. So we're doing that with this series here, which we just started, and it does take some time to build these leads up, which you've been seeing. But this series here is a good one to take a look at. Same basic scenario. We're doing a little more to promote this company because we're also including social media posts and videos and things like that. But we're also promoting this with MLGS accounts and also some paid traffic, because we want to maximize this program, because this is such a great program to run. And we're still testing this one. All right. Now, once we prove this one, then we'll just jam more into it too. We'll just keep this going. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.